Here we see a grading rubric I created for this assignment and lesson. As we can see, all of these categories are developed on the level of completeness of the student's work. However, I think there are also other valid ways that the students could demonstrate their understanding in this case. For example, they could demonstrate their understanding during their presentations. Students would be able to justify their answers, explain their reasoning, and summarize what they did to solve the problems. In fact, I believe that these class presentations hold all of the necessary categories for me to grade the student's understanding. I could also use peer feedback forms as a way of getting information from my students as well. And I think the most important thing is having clear grading expectations and making sure your students are aware of exactly how they will be graded.